Heads or tails? Heads, you double your money. Tails, you lose everything. Would you take that bet? Because whether people realize it or not, that's exactly how a lot of financial decisions look today. You can follow all the right advice, save more, invest early, work hard, and still feel like you're not getting ahead. That's because money doesn't follow rules, it follows laws. And once you understand those laws, everything changes. There are three forces behind how money actually works: momentum, structure, and asymmetry. The first law: money loves speed, but wealth loves time. Acting quickly helps you make money, but holding the right decisions over time is what builds real wealth. Most people confuse fast action with fast results, but they're not the same. Speed gets you in the game. Time is what makes you win. The second law: the person who puts up the money has the power. If you're only earning income, you're limited. If you build something and sell it, you might win once. But the real advantage comes from people who keep buying and building. They control the outcomes, and that's where real wealth is created. The third law: leverage multiplies everything. It can amplify gains, but it can also magnify losses. Smart investors don't avoid leverage, they learn how to use it. The fourth law: cash flow keeps you alive, equity makes you free. Cash flow covers your life today, but equity builds your future. Without equity, you're just trading time for money. The fifth law: risk and reward are not equal. You don't need every investment to win. You need a few big wins that outweigh the losses. The sixth law: never risk everything on one opportunity. One bad decision can wipe out years of progress. Smart investors don't just choose wisely, they size their bets carefully. And finally, diversification protects you when you don't fully understand something. If you have knowledge and control, you can focus. If you don't, you spread risk. So, before you invest in anything, ask yourself, can this grow over time? Who's in control? What happens if it fails? Is the upside worth the risk? And do you truly understand it? Because once you start thinking this way, you stop guessing and start playing the game like the people who actually win.